Hi guys, so today we are just going to take a quick look at something that's quite important. It's what you need to do if you want to ask for help with your HISE projects. So this is how to make it easier for people to assist you. So let's say we've got a project, so this is just an empty HISE project. Just going to add an interface and we'll add a knob to the interface. So there we go. So this is our project. And we'd like some help with this, so let's just we'll add something in the script as well. Actually, just paste that in. Okay, so if we want some help with this, we go to the HISE forum, which is forum.hise.audio. Click New Topic after you've done a forum search to make sure that what you need help with hasn't already been covered. Do forum search first, but assuming it hasn't and you need something quite specific, enter your topic title, select the appropriate category, and then write in this box what you need help with, description of the problem, and then from your HISE project, right click in here, select Save Script to Clipboard, and go back into your forum post, and you're going to type in, I'm not sure what this symbol's called. It looks a bit like a quotation mark, but it's not a quotation mark because that's a quotation mark. But it's on my keyboard, it's next to the number 1 key. So I'm not actually sure what it's called, but anyway, type in that little symbol and then type in 3 of those. Go to the next line, paste in your script that you saved by right-clicking Save Script to Clipboard, and then put 3 more of those symbols, and that will format the script nicely in this box so that we can see it properly in the forum. And then you can also go back into your project, go to the Export menu, and select Export as HISE Snippet. So a HISE snippet basically takes your entire project, not samples, but just the entire project that we see here, the code and the interface and everything, and it puts it into a nice long text string that anybody can then paste into HISE. So you see it says you can paste the clipboard content to share this preset. So now if I go back to the forum, and again I can type in these 3 symbols, or I can click this code button here, and you can see that adds in these 3 symbols for me. So another way to do it. And then I'm just going to paste it in here. And that will paste a HISE snippet. So this is the snippet. So then anybody can come along and take this snippet and copy it. And they can open HISE. And you can do this as well if you're helping somebody. And then we can go to the File menu and go to Import HISE Snippet. And you can see it's exactly the same as the project that we exported as a snippet and all the codes there. So this makes it really easy for somebody to help you or for you to help somebody else because you can see what they can see. And then once you've written your description, you've posted your code and you've posted your snippet, and then just hit submit and wait, and somebody will hopefully get back to you and help you with your problem. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.